Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Ardith, and today I wanted to do a 4th of July makeup look for you. So I have my lovely earrings on and the only blue and white striped shirt that I own. So I just wanted to do a fun look for you. Disclaimer, I might have made a mistake in something, but I don't know, I'm still trying to get used to them. During this whole quarantine thing and me being on furlough, like so many other people in this country, I decided to take up a new hobby, and it was to make my own press-on nails. So I decided to make 4th of July nails, and I did this months ago. I decided, you know what, even though I'm not back to work yet, I still want to wear these nails and get used to them because they are quite long. They are so long. Yeah, they are quite long, but I designed them myself. I used these, the BT Art Box false nails, and these are in the ballerina, I believe is what it's called. They come in all of these different sizes. On some of them I did trim them down on the sets that I have made, but with these ones I wanted them to be really long because I'm like, it's a holiday, go big or go home, right? Yeah. So you are going to see me fumbling around with things today. I'm still trying to get used to them. I used to wear a lot of acrylic nails and fake nails, but since the pandemic happened, I didn't really think that I should be wearing nails because what's the point in wearing nails? I just decided to kind of take a break, but then I also decided to create my own fake nails. I made many sets, so this is the first one that I've ever tried on before, and personally, I really like them. I just think that they are very long. So I might be talking with my hands a lot today, but it's just because I really love the look of long nails. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so I just did my eyebrows and prepped my eyelids for the eyeshadow off camera, and I really like how I did my eyebrows today. I think it looks really good. So I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette. I've had this for an extremely long time, and look how much I've used it. It looks brand new. So I actually got this in gratis when I worked at Sephora once upon a time, and I never really used it. So I'm only going to be doing some neutral colors on my eyes, and then we're going to jazz it up with some fun eyeliner and a pop of color on the lower lash line, and maybe some glitter. Not too sure yet. So I'm going to be taking my very favorite big fluffy brush from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab. I'm just going to be taking the shade Lazarus, this one right in the center, and I'm just going to look down into my mirror here, and I'm just going to be placing that all in the crease in windshield wiper motions, and then circular motions on that outer corner, and blending this up toward the brow. I just want enough color in there to define my eyes so that it looks like I have something going on. I have hooded eyes, so I find that if I'm doing liner looks, I have to do something in the crease or else my eyes are just gonna look very weird. So I just zoomed you in, I'm so sorry. So now we are up close and personal. So now that I have that shade in my crease, it just makes it nice and defined, but it's a nice neutral color, so it doesn't really pull either way. I'm now going to be taking this shade called Citri, I believe, and I'm just going to be placing that on the outer part of my crease with this more tapered brush, but still fluffy. I still want it to be nice and blown out and not too harsh. Then I'm just going to run over all of that with that big fluffy brush. So now that I have that where I like it as far as depth is concerned, I'm now going to be taking this bone colored shadow called Succubus, and I'm just going to be placing that all over the blank part of the lid with a very small packing brush. You can use a bigger one if you'd like, but I just want this so it kind of defines the crease a little bit, if you see that. If you're doing an everyday look, you can kind of stop right here, do the rest of your face, and do your lower lash line, put on some lashes, and you're good to go. But we're just going to be taking it up to that patriotic step. So I've been dying to use these in a video, and honestly to use them at all in any capacity. So I am going to be using the NYX Professional Makeup Epic Wear Waterproof Liners. So I have them in the colors white and blue, or sapphire, and you see how blue that is. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm so excited to use this. So I'm going to be using this as my main liner. So I'm going to be creating a little bit thicker of a liner. We'll see how I'm feeling. And then I will at least line the top part of it with the white and possibly underneath it. I might just like it on the top and just leave it there, but if I wanted to try underneath, I'll probably do that too and just kind of outline the wing. So I'm going to do my best to film this. It's going to be a little bit difficult because the mirror's down here, you guys are up there, but we're just going to wing it. We're going to, we're going to wing it. We're going to wing it. So the liner did get a little bit thick on me, but that's completely fine. This is why I do my eyeshadows first, because 9 times out of 10, I accidentally make it a rectangle as opposed to a triangle, and then I just clean it up with concealer and it's like it never happened. Alright, so now that I think that liner is mostly dry, I'm going to go ahead and take the white liner and I'm just going to line the top. So that took a little bit longer than I thought, but I think I got the line as nice and precise as I can. This is the one that I had a little bit of trouble on, so the final looks will not be on this side. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a full coverage concealer and clean this up and do the rest of my base, and when we come back we'll do my lower lash line and my lipstick, and then the look will be completed. And the sun is now setting, so it's really giving my highlight life right now. So I went ahead and did the rest of my face off camera, and I decided to put a white line underneath just so that it kind of outlined the blue, and I think it makes it pop that much more. It makes it look very much more structured and almost editorial. Okay, so now I'm going to do the oldest trick in the book. I personally don't own any pure red eyeshadows, so the next best thing is a liquid lipstick, and this one is a Sephora collection number 1. So it's super classic. This is the one when I worked for Sephora every Christmas and every 4th of July. It was always sold out. Always. They're never gonna get rid of this. So even if you're watching this video years and years from now, and as long as Sephora has not filed for bankruptcy or anything crazy, then this is still going to be in existence. So what I'm going to be doing with this is I'm going to be taking it on a small brush, and I'm just going to line my lower lash line. I'm not going to take it all the way out because I still want this to be nice and defined, and I don't want it to be kind of overshadowed with red. I might go out just a little bit just for the shading purposes, but it's mostly just going to hang out right underneath. Okay, so now that your eyes look a little more crazy, you can leave them this way, but I wanted to kind of blend it out a little bit. So I'm going to be grabbing the closest color that I have to a pure red, which is this guy. So I'm going to be taking that on a small flat brush, and I'm going to be running that on my lower lash line and then dragging it down so it doesn't look so blunt and harsh. Alright, so now that you have that down, you can just leave it like this, put on some mascara and lashes, and put on your lipstick and go about your day. But I wanted to kind of take it up a notch, which means glitter! So this is the Sugar Trip box set of glitter by NYX. Yeah, that price on here, that's kind of tacky. I don't know why I left it there, but I did not pay $55 for this. I got it on a Black Friday deal and it was a steal. So it has all of these beautiful glitters in there, and it does come with a glitter glue. It's just not in this package. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this one for today. I love it because it's silver, but it has all of those like rainbow kind of glittery pieces in there. You can put this glitter honestly wherever. You could take the blue glitter that's in here and put it on the blue liner that you have. You could take the red glitter and you can put some, you know, right down here. But I'm going to do glitter tears because that was a trend before. It's not anymore, but we're just gonna do it anyway. Taking a very precise brush. This one still has some glitter on it from the last time that I used it. It's a rough brush, but it's been with me through thick and thin, so I put some of the glue on the back of my hand. I'm gonna do not an actual triangle, but a rough triangle down, and I really want it to get super skinny. And then you just tap it on with your finger or with a brush if you want to be more precise. Ooh, you can totally see that reflect. That's so pretty. And just tap it. Ooh. This is why my long nails, I'm still trying to get used to them. I just poke myself in the eye. Oh, that's funny. Alright, so that's the glitter tears on. I really like it, but I wanted to take it up a little bit more. So I have these very small rhinestones. I don't know if you can kind of see that. I'm just going to be putting them a couple of different random places, maybe even on the inner corner as well. Then I'm just going to go ahead and do mascara and lashes, and then when I come back we will put the lipstick on and it will be the final look. Alright, so this is the finished look. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I only put a couple rhinestones right here and some on the inner corner, and I just think it looks really pretty, and especially once you put the lashes on and the mascara on the lower lash line, it all just kind of brings it together. And I really like these lashes. I wear them in every single video, I know. I really like how piecey they are so that you can see how precise it is, so it's not like it's hidden behind the lashes. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use that same matte liquid lipstick from Sephora collection on my lips. I'm now topping that color off with the NARS Velvet Lip Glide in Le Palace. It's supposed to be a matte lip glide, so it has more of like a pillowy texture to it, almost like a thicker gloss without it being sticky. Alright, so this is it for the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I had a really fun time filming this for you guys and creating this look that's so fun and glittery. And you can definitely do more with it. You can even wear a blue lipstick if you want. I know I was really considering doing that, but since the red is a little bit hidden underneath, that's why I chose red, just to kind of bring it out a little bit more. But you do whatever you want. But I just really wanted to do this very fun, patriotic look, and I hope you guys really like it. Make sure to leave a like if you like the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Both of those really help me out a lot. And if you guys want to go ahead in the comments down below and leave a comment on videos that you would like to see me do in the future, or if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, or if you want to see any reviews or anything like that, that would also be such a big help, because I know I've been away from my channel for a very long time now. Things just kind of got in the way, and figure out how to make better content for you guys. So if you put your inputs down below, it really does help me out, and it means so much to me that you guys even watch or even subscribe. So thank you so much. I hope you guys have a great day today, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye! Maybe in the next one I won't have talons, because that was hard. I'm not used to all of this anymore.